I want to try something today. I didn't do success. I didn't have success with my Dutch pours before, and today I will do it with again, but I will use my mixture of satin enamel and white paint. I hope that it's not too thick again, because I like the effects that this enamel gives, and I will reuse some of my canvases, so let's try to do this and see what will happen. Where is my palette knife? I lost my palette knife. I don't know, maybe some of my cats stole it from me, because I just don't know where I have them. So I will just grab one brush and just, oops, I don't know, maybe is this paint too thick? Still, I think so. So I will thin it down a little bit for when I will pour it over here around my petal, around my puddle. So I will just add a little more water, because I think that it's still I mixed my enamel paint with my titanium white in 1:1 ratio and add water. It's no primer, no pouring medium, nothing. So I hope that this will work. And now our colors. I have cadmium yellow. I will add this one first. Maybe I should done puddle more here. I think so. So now it is what it is. And my cardinal red and a little bit of vandyke brown. This was not a little bit, but, and turquoise, and I will add some gold, and maybe I will add just a little more of this. Probably I have too much paint now, but I don't know. We will see. Where is my hair dryer? And let's see. Definitely too much paint, I think. I just don't know how to blow this the right way. Maybe I will tilt this and see what will happen, because it just doesn't look like a Dutch pour. maybe I shouldn't have added this vandyke brown. I don't know. And way too much paint, so I will try to tilt this and see what will happen. Probably I should have left it with the first two blows. This gold is pretty, but my cardinal red and vandyke brown, I think that they made some weird color that I don't like. See this gold? But I don't like this middle part here because it's just so weird. But I like this tree here. What can I do? Let me grab my torch. Where is my torch? Let's see if I can get some interesting happen here. Some cells are popping out. You see this tree here? Kind of tree. I like it, but I think that I have way too much paint. I like this part here, I don't like this, I don't like this. This is okay, but I'm afraid to stretch it because I don't want to lose this tree shape here. I think that I will leave this one like it is, and see how this will dry. See, I did lose my tree shape here. Don't like this now. I will just leave it because it's kind of interesting. And I think that this will change while it will drying because while drying process, because this satin enamel reacts when dries. So I just want to take you a little closer to see better. See this tree here, I really like this, I don't know, and this gold around, but I really don't like this part. So I think that my brown was maybe a mistake, or turquoise, I don't know. I will do another one because I kind of like what it happens first, but I just want, I think that I should put my paddle more to this side and then blow it. So I will left my brown out, and I will try to do another one, but this one I will leave like it is. I will see how it will dry, and maybe I will even like this one when it will be dry. So this was it for my first attempt with enamel and Dutch pour rinske technique, and see you on the next one. Bye.